Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to clear the run command history in Windows 11, step by step. First, make sure you are on the Windows 11 desktop. Now, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. The Run dialog box will open. You will notice that when you click inside the text field, previously used commands may appear in the drop-down list. This is the run history that we are going to clear. Now, close the Run dialog. Next, right-click on the Start button. From the menu, click on Run. This opens the Run dialog again. In the Run box, type Registry Editor. Click OK. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes. This will open the Registry Editor. Now, in the left panel, carefully navigate to the following path. H key current user. Then Software. Then Microsoft. Then Windows. Then current version. Then Explorer. Inside Explorer, click on the folder named Run MRU. Once you select Run MRU, you will see multiple entries on the right side. These entries represent the commands stored in the run history. Now, on the right side, right-click on each entry you want to delete except the one named Default, and click Delete. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Do not delete the default entry. After deleting all other entries, close the Registry Editor. Now press Windows key plus R again to open the Run dialog. You will notice that the previous commands are no longer visible. Your run history has been successfully cleared. That's it. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.